Assalamu alaikum, myself Ambin and I am from Dhaka, Bangladesh. Thank you for taking the time of watch my video resume. I completed my secondary school certificate from Noipur Mofidiam School and College with a GPA of 4.00 and my higher secondary certificate from Al-Haj Mokbul College with a GPA 4.25. Currently, I am a third year student in the Bachelor of Business Administration BBA department. Alongside my academic studies, I have developed a strong computer skill. I am in a Microsoft Word, Excel and PowerPoint which I regularly use for assignment, presentation and organization information. I have also completed a course in a digital marketing, giving me a solid foundation in social media strategies, online branding and contact promotion. Beyond academic, I am an active member of a voluntary club where I work with a team of plan events, support community activities, and develop leadership skills. This experience has helped me in improve my communication, teamwork, and problem solving. I consider myself a motivated learner who accepts quickly to new challenges. My strategies included thinking, staying organized, working independently when needed, while I also being able to collaboration effectively in a group setting. In the future, I aim to build a career in business and marketing where I can combine my academic knowledge, technical skill and creativity to contribute with the success of organization. Thank you for the watching my video resume. I look forward to the opportunity to discuss how my skill, education and profession can add value to your organization. You can contact me anytime, email or phone, and I'd be happy to share more about my work and achievement. Thank you so much.